Hello guys, this is Pratish for ETR Infotech. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, we are going to see about browser plugins which every ethical hacker or a pen tester must have plugins in a browser. So, for an ethical hacker or a pen tester, browser plugins plays an important role in saving time for everyone. So, in that list, we are going to see about a couple of plugins here. So first plugin we are going to see about is cookie manager. So coming to the cookie manager, every site contains cookies, and nowadays if you enter every new site, it asks to allow cookies or to accept for cookies. So using the cookies, what will they do is they will analyze your data, your personal data, which are already saved in your browsers, like your name, your username, not passwords. Maybe some sites even save passwords and CVV numbers too, but we're not going to see about that. To analyze your data, so as you see here, to analyze your data, it is used to analyze your data and process your data more efficient. So for that, they use cookies. So what this plugin, the cookie manager, does is it lists all your cookies which are already saved in your browser, and if you like to delete it, you can click on the cookie, you can click on it, and you can delete the cookies. See, I have in my browser, it is currently it has 99 plus cookies which is already saved here. Okay, so for that purpose, cookie manager is used. So the second plugin which you are going to see is Foxy Proxy. So where this plugin comes to play is, as it says in the name itself, it is used for proxy switching. If you are a pen tester, you will probably use you probably have used Burp Suite, which is a cool and awesome tool for pen testing. It also contains a community edition too. You can give it a try for it. So what this plugin does is, in order to use Burp Suite, you need to configure some proxy settings in your browser. So without this plugin, you have to manually change the proxy settings in the browser. But using this, it is just a simple click. You can switch it to the proxy, and switch back to the normal proxy. So for the purpose, we are using Foxy Proxy plugin. Okay. Next, we have Hackbar Quantum. Hackbar Quantum is also a tool which every pen tester should have in their browser. So what this Hackbar Quantum does is, it has some predefined options for accesses, payload injection. Like this, it has some predefined scripts configured in it. So we just have to select, go to the site and press the F9 key. The shortcut keys for toggling is F9. So if you go to the site and press F9, it will pop up the window and it will show you the options. So everyone must give it a try for this plugin, Hackbar Quantum. It has also had a paid version too, which asks for you to buy license. But if you're a beginner or you're an intermediate, you can go for Hackbar Quantum. Okay. The next we have in the list is HTTP request maker. HTTP request maker, as it says in the name itself, it's a request maker which requests for, suppose you are filling a form in a browser. Okay, just give me a second. If you are filling a form in the browser, all the data will be sent through the post method or get method through the server. So what this tool does is, it displays all the header data. Header data means if you're using a Chrome, it will send a Chrome headers. If you're using Firefox, it will send the headers like Firefox headers. So it is used to watch the headers, which type of headers are passing from a browser to the server. For that, we are using the HTTP request maker. And the next one in the list is the privacy badger. So obviously everyone have heard about it, because nowadays this privacy badger is getting more popular than before. So what this privacy badger does is it tracks for the trackers which browsers can't identify by itself. By default, Firefox has browser tracking, helps to block trackers. So you can add a privacy badger to an extra security for it, which helps to disable the trackers. And the next plugin we are going to see about is the Tamper Data. So what this Tamper Data does is it actually already I have said that Pentesters use burp suite. So what this Tamper Data does is it's a minified version of the burp suite. So what this Tamper Data does is, while filling a form, it sends the data to post or get method. So using this Tamper Data plugin, we can change the request, and before going to the server itself, we can change the response, we can change the data, and we can post it to the server. So this tool works as same as the burp suite what does. So you should give it a try for this tool, this plugin too. The next one is the Tamper Monkey. Tamper Monkey is also the plugin which helps to tamper the data and inject the scripts into it. Mostly it is used for injecting scripts into a page like XSS, like that. The next one we're going to see about is Ublock. Ublock is simple as ad blocker. It disables all the ads popping here. When you go to YouTube, it pop up here, pop up an ad here. So what this does is blocks all the ads here, and the left side also. Pretty simple as that. Next plugin is User Agent Switcher. So as I said before, User Agent Switcher, which is a plugin which helps to switch the users between. User Agent Switcher means I'm using Chrome browser now. I'm using Firefox browser now. What if I switch the user from Firefox to Chrome? You have to change the browser, right? Normally, but using this plugin, you don't have to change between the browsers or jump between the browsers. What this does is it has a predefined set of information which shows all the versions and all the OS versions, all the browser versions, and all the browsers. Example like Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer. It has some predefined configured settings. You just have to click on it, and you can change the browser agent, user agent. And the last tool we're going to see about is the Webalizer. Webalizer is a tool which identifies each and every technology used in a website. For example, what type of server which is hosted the website, or what type of scripts are used in it, what type of programming languages is used in it, what type of plugins are used in it. And even in some sites, it also shows the server versions also. Server versions means, if consider if a website is using Apache 2.0 version, so the plugin shows the database version, the server version Apache, and also the version 2.0. So what we can do with this is, if the attacker knows about the server version, it is pretty easy for him to compromise the server by just googling the server version and trying to search for the exploits of the server version. So Uplace is also another cool tool. Can try to give it a try. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you have any doubts, you can ping me on Instagram, or if you have any doubts, you can also post in the comment. I will try to reply as soon as possible. So make sure to like, share and subscribe ET Infotech channel, and don't forget to follow Instagram page too. Thank you. Bye.